How to make group public in Heylo. Hey guys, in today's video I'll be teaching how to make group public in Heylo. To make your group public in Heylo, all we need to do is open up our Heylo right here. Once you open up our Heylo right here, to make our group public in Heylo, all we need to do right now is open up our Heylo. Once our Heylo is open up on the bottom right corner, you will see group. Press on the group on the bottom right corner right there. After pressing on group on the bottom right corner, you'll be located right here. So right here, now once you're here, you will see like a settings next to analytics. Press on the settings right there. After pressing on the settings right there, you'll be located to admin settings. Here at admin settings, you will see visibility. You see group profile. Press on group profile right there. Once you're here, all you need to do is go down till you see discoverability right there. As you see right now, discoverability is on private, so your group profile is not visible on Heylo and search engine like Google. So to make it visible right there and to make it visible even on Google, all you need to do is just make it private public by pressing on that. Once you press on that right there, here you will see on the bottom public, your group profile is published on Heylo and search engine like Google. So press on that. So once you turn that on right here, you can now click on save right there. Or if you want, if you make other changes right here, you can also click on save preview, so you can save and preview it as well. So there you go. So you can go to group, there you go. So yeah, there you guys, that's how I do it. Hope you guys like the video, hope you enjoyed. If you have more questions or concerns, you can always type it a question below, guys. Happy to answer you as soon as possible and here on how to rock it, guys. Anyways guys, there you go guys, see you in the next one, and bye bye guys.